Alright, hi and Assalamualaikum. Okay, today we meet again in another session with me, Teacher Rahayu. Alright, so in our previous video, I taught you on common nouns and also proper nouns. Okay, so as I promised to you, today we're going to continue with another subtopic, which is under nouns. Okay, we have countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, boys and girls, actually it's very easy, very simple. From the word itself, you already have the idea what is countable and uncountable. Countable from the word itself means can be count, whereby uncountable meaning cannot be count. Alright, so let's go to the first one, countable nouns. Okay, so here, basically you have to know countable nouns means can be counted, or in Bahasa Melayu, boleh dikira. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, remember, for countable nouns, okay, you can use it with the article a and the. Alright? Okay, that is the basic thing that you should know about countable noun. Now, remember, boys and girls, countable nouns, okay, have singular and also plural forms. Okay, let me tell you. Now, in this sentence, I have 2 dolls. The word dolls here represent plural. So you have to put S at the back, and remember, you count it with the number 1, 2, 3, and so on. So here we use the word 2 to quantify the word dolls. Another one, she takes an apple. An apple here means only one apple, singular. So we use the article an to be paired with apple. Alright, so here you can see we have singular for the first sample and plural forms for the other example. Okay, now besides that, the root word, okay, such as chair, you can couple it with the article a chair, or in another word means one chair. If it's more than one, you can just use the quantifiers 2 chairs, 3 chairs, 100 chairs, 2 million chairs, and so on. Okay, that is countable. Alright, okay, get it clear, boys and girls? Now we move on to the next one, uncountable nouns. Alright, so it's very contra with countable. Uncountable meaning cannot be count. Okay, you cannot count these nouns. Apa dia? What are the nouns? Okay, yang you tak boleh kira, which you cannot count. Okay, let's go. Okay, so to use these uncountable nouns, okay, you have to use measure words to quantify them. Alright, so here you can use a, and, the, 1, 2, 10. But here you cannot use a, you cannot use and, you cannot use 10, and so on. You have to use measure words. Okay, what are the measure words? Here, look at the example. We have some money, many work. Here, the word money is the noun. Work is also the noun. The measure words here to quantify the word money is some, whereby for to quantify the word work here, we use the measure word many. So remember this, some and many are the measure words. Money and work are the what we call that? Uncountable nouns. Next, okay, we also have a few more examples for uncountable nouns such as water, happiness, milk, and many more. Okay, you cannot use milks, cannot. All right, if it's a lot, so you have to use measure words. All right, remember the other rules for uncountable nouns. Never use uncountable nouns with indefinite article such as a, and. You cannot say a water, a milk, and so on. All right, and the last one, if we talk about countable nouns just now, it can be in a singular and plural forms. But here, remember, uncountable nouns, okay, are always singular. We don't have plural form for uncountable nouns. Okay, let me show you one example. The word water, we cannot use waters. So you just say some water. All right? Okay. So that is the basically about uncountable and countable nouns. So I hope you can understand the lesson, and I hope to see you in our next session. Okay, take care and goodbye.